Now, example number 11. This is page number 84 of Arya Book Depot, class 7. Example number 11 is saying, for what value of k will the following statement be true? That is 737k 75. 737k equal to 75. Seven three into 7k is equal to 7 into 3 plus k is equal to 75k. So this implies 3k 3 plus k is equal to 5. That means k is equal to 2. Example number 12. Find the value of x. In three sub questions are there. 2482x. 248 into is equal to 2x. You have to find out the value of x. 2 to the power 4 into 8 is equal to 2 to the power x. That means 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 4 plus 3 and 2 to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power 8. This implies x is equal to 7. Yes. Now second, 3 square into 9 is equal to 3x. 3 square into 9 is equal to 3x. So 3 square into 3 square is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2. That is 3 4 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 4. Third one, 5 3 5 x 1 to 5. 5 to the power 3 into 5x into 5x is equal to 1 to 5. So 5x 3 plus x is equal to 5 3. That means 3 plus x is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 0. Law number 2. Law number 2 is saying we know that the division is the reverse process of multiplication. So 7 to the power 5 divided by 7 to the power 3 is equal to 7 to the power 5 into 1 by 7 to the power 3. That is 7 to the power 5 minus 3. Similarly, 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 4 minus 2. On generalization of the result thus obtained, we may conclude that for if A is a rational number, M and N are rational numbers such that M is greater than N, then A to the power M divided by A to the power N, A is equal to A to the power M minus N. So 7 to the power 5 divided by 7 to the power 3 is equal to 7 to the power 5 multiplied to 1 by 7 to the power 3. That means 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 5 times by 7 into 7 into 7. That is 7 into 7. That is 7 into 2 power 2. That is 7, 5 minus 3. The generalized form of this law is saying if A is a rational number, M and N are natural numbers such that M is greater than N, then A to the power M divided by N is equal to M minus N. This is second law. You have to remember this law, and we will proceed some examples, solve examples based on this second law. Example number 13. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 2. Minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 2. Here is equal to minus 4 to the power 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 4 to the power 3. That means minus 4 into minus 4. That is minus 64. Second, 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 3 minus 2, that is 1, that is 3. Next, 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power minus 2. 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power minus 2 is equal to 7 to the power 3 minus 2. That is 7 to the power 3 plus 2. That is 7 to the power 5. Next question, next example, find the value of minus 2 by 3 to the power 5 divided by minus to the power 3 to the power 3. Minus 2 by 3 to the power 5 and 3. Here is equal to minus 2 by 3 power 5 minus 3 minus 2 by 3 power 2. That is minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 into 3. That is 4 by 9.